Hi, today we have the 10th assignment, and this is the last assignment in the second part. Next time we will move to the third part of our workshop, and this third part will be super practical. Okay, the next assignment will be practical as well, but more in a sense, really go through if I miss something. In this assignment, I prepare a worksheet for you with all the questions that you might be wondering and you haven't asked yet. If you don't have problems with asking questions, great. Then just go through the worksheet and see if you might forgot something. And also, if I forgot something, please write the question in the comments. It might help others as well. We are all coming from the different cultures, so these questions are not just for the birth in hospital, but also for the birth in birth houses or at home. In Germany, we have places called birth houses. I would set them somewhere between the hospital and giving birth at home. Once you are in labor, you go to the birth house where there are nurses and they help you with the birth. There is no doctor there and no medication. And you go home a few hours after birth. So the questions are also suitable for this type of birth. Go through them, highlight which ones are important for you, and then reorganize them in the second handout called Selected Question. So here you will see that you have a space for questions for doctors, questions for the hospital. You can even write down questions for the partner. And if you are really struggling to ask the questions, you can assign one person that you trust to ask the questions for you. I feel it's important to have the questions answered because unknown creates the space for fears and worries. And once you finish the assignment, do the body scan, naming, and breathing exercise. And we see each other in the third part of the workshop. Have a nice day.